Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am about to solder the LED onto the circuit board. So I already mark it with a mark on the negative side. When you order it, there is a long side, a long pin, and a short pin. Automatically, the short pin is the negative, and the long pin is the positive. So I'm in the process now of attaching it to the circuit board. You don't have to be a solder expert. It's a no-brainer. So I go like that. You don't have too much solder on your tip, and you press it down because it have enough solder. Where I remove the old light LED bulb, and then I press down onto it like that. Give it a couple minutes, you could blow it. Alright, it didn't hold properly, so I have to probably give it a little more solder. I have to put a little solder on the leg. So I'm going to put a little solder on the leg. That's me putting solder on the leg there. Making sure, but you don't want to put too much because it will heat up and attach from the LED. And then you go down to the bottom and you attach it just like that and blow it a little. Okay, so one leg is attached. That way I could squeeze it off a little bit. Make sure it's center. Squeeze it down a little bit. Now this is the reflector that I have to go over. So make sure this line up properly before proceeding. Alright. This is perfect. So I just have to press it down a little bit and solder the other leg. So again, I'll have to make sure that the bottom is making contact. So where is this? So I need this. Squeeze it down a little bit. Just like that. Okay. And then I apply a little solder. So what I do is I take the tip, fine tip, put a little solder on there. You don't want to put too much. So I have to rest this down. I'm probably a little sturdy, this solder. Turn it down. Probably did turn it off a little bit. I have to turn it back up. Yeah, I turn it down a little bit. My apologies on that, ladies and gentlemen. So I have to wait for it to warm back up. I turned it on by accident. Alright, so it's warm up. So I just take a little bit of solder, not too much, and apply it onto the circuit board. Just like that. You don't want to go too crazy. Take a little bit to put on the other side. Just like that, and you apply it right onto the leg. It's a fine tip, just like that, and it's done. See that? Beautiful solder. You guys can see it? Beautiful solder. That's one LED down. Alright, so we take a break, pause it. Okay, what I do, ladies and gentlemen, is I give a little design so that way the legs could hold the solder, and then I will apply a little solder in the ring. So we'll attach and hold more solder. You see like that? Perfect. Perfect. So I just improvise. See what? And it went, and the leg get detached from the LED. So I'll have to put it back on. So what you need to do in order to do that is I can't do all this work to avoid that to go to waste. So you take the soldering gun. So that's why you cannot make the solder stay on the leg too long, because it will heat too much and go up on the leg. Take off the excess solder. I don't know why did I touch it with my hands, but okay, take off the excess solder. And right, blow it so it could cool quickly. Alright, so it cooled. Now I'll attach it back onto the LED by holding where I just soldered, right? And just touching it. I have to turn it to the right direction. So I want the turn to be on the outside. And then I'm just going to touch right here on the LED and touch it back. See how easy that was? Very easy, lady. So when you So when you're soldering, don't leave the solder too long, because what will happen is the soldering tip will hot up the legs too long and melt the solder at the top, and it will fall off. Okay, so I'm ready to install in here. Zoom in here. I have 2 more to do, which is inside, and don't forget to mark your LED with the negative so you know which direction the negative is on. Open it a little bit so they're not too close, and holding this like that, right, and then I'm going down to the bottom. Okay, this is not sufficient, so I need to change this and get this straight. Then I continue, negative, make sure negative on that side. This one is going to be a little tricky. I can't hold too long. That's one leg, and I got to turn this leg over. That's very gentle. When you have to do something, you have to be very patient. And that's it. Don't forget, don't leave the solder too long. Tip. And just dab it. That's it. Just like that. And it's hold. As you could see, soldered. Alright?